हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम मोहम्मद सलीम एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल राइट डायरेक्शंस बाय सलीम। आज हम कंप्यूटर का एक पोर्शन पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस का, जो कि हर एग्जाम में आता है। यह है हार्डवेयर, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, अरिथमेटिक यूनिट, बाकी और कंट्रोल यूनिट, इनपुट डिवाइस, ये पढ़ेंगे हम, ठीक है ना। ऐसे और जो इससे जुड़े हुए इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो, ठीक है ना। हार्डवेयर क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फिजिकल एलिमेंट्स विच कंप्राइजेज of a computer that can be seen by the eyes and felt by touching. The other external computer equipments which are connected to a computer and controlled by a processor are called peripherals. On the basis of work, hardware can be categorized into the following parts. Number one, CPU, central processing unit. CPU or processor is often called the brain of the computer. It is the hardware within the computer system which carries out the instructions of a computer program by performing the basic arithmetic, logical, and input-output operations of the system. The CPU is constructed on a single integrated circuit called a microprocessor. Now let's see microprocessor. This is the main control. This is the controlling element of in a computer system and is sometimes referred to as the chip. Microprocessor is the main hardware that drives the computer. This is the Intel chip. It is a large printed circuit board (PCB). It is a large printed circuit board which is used in all electronic systems such as computer, calculator, digital system, etc. The speed of the CPU depends upon the type of the microprocessor used. Intel 4004 was the first microprocessor which contains all the components of a CPU on a single chip with a 4-bit bus width. Some of the popular microprocessors are Intel Dual Core, Platinum 4th, etc. CPU is divided into three parts as follows. First is ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. It is the digital electronic circuit that performs arithmetical and logical operations on integer and binary numbers. Then registers. These are special purpose and high speed in temporary memory units. Registers are not referenced by their address but are directly accessed and manipulated by the CPU during execution. These are they store data, instructions, addressed and intermediate they are store data, instructions, address and intermediate results of processing. Registers. Okay. Then control unit, CU. It controls the IO, I hash I बटा ओ, इसको IO पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है ना। CU, central processing unit. It controls the IO devices, and IO means input output devices, and transfers of data to and from the primary storage. It directs the computer to carry out stored program instructions by communicating with the ALU and the registers. Then input devices. An input device can be defined as an electromechanical device, peripherals that allows the user to enter data into the computer for analysis and storage, and to give commands to the computer. Some of the commonly used input devices are as follows. पहले input device है keyboard. It is a human interface which is represented as a layout of buttons. It has two sizes, 84 keys or 101 by 102 keys, but non-keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. Okay. Each button or key can be used to either input a logistic character to a computer or call upon a particular function of the computer. Then second input device is mouse. It is most commonly used input pointing device. It allows to control the movement of pointer, also known as mouse pointer, on a display screen. The mouse can be used to position the cursor on screen, move an object by dragging, or select an object by clicking. The next input unit is MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. It is used to read the characters that are written in the magnetized ink, which contains iron particles. It is simply used to read the characters by examining their shapes written in the checks, manufactured products, etc. This was MICR. Then OMR, optical mark reader or recognition, ठीक है, optical mark reader or recognition. It is used to read the special pre-printed forms designed with boxes marked by a dark pencil or pen. It is mainly used to check the objective type answer sheets in the examinations. Next input device is OCR, optical character recognition, OCR. It is an optical scanner and used to recognize the image as ASCII text and convert it into a set of zeros and ones and store in computer's memory. It is a field of research in pattern recognition, artificial intelligence, and computer vision. Next is barcode reader. It is also an input device. Barcode is an input device used to recognize the small bars of varying thickness and spacing printed on packages, badges, tags, and convert them into electrical pulses. Next input device is scanner. It is a device that typically scans images, printed text, handwriting, or an object and converts it to a digital image. It usually comes with the software such as Adobe's Photoshop product that lets you resize and otherwise modify a captured image. So it is scanner. Then trackball. It is another pointing device which is an alternative to a mouse. Trackball. It is used on CAD, CAM workstations and sometimes seen on computerized special purpose workstations such as radar consoles in a traffic control room. Next input device is joystick. It is a device that moves in all directions and controls the movement of the consumer. It is mainly used in flight simulators, computer aided drafting. CAD means computer aided drafting.